Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are well, fine, and safe inside your homes. So, now today we are going to continue with the chapter 6 in geography, that is the major landforms of the earth. Now we are going to continue with plateaus. We have already studied about mountains, that is fold mountains, block mountains, volcanic mountains. So now next is plateaus. So what are plateaus? Plateau is an elevated flat land. It is flat top table land standing above the surrounding areas. A plateau may have one or more than one sides with steep slopes. The height of the plateaus, it often varies from few hundred meters to several thousand meters. It means all the plateaus cannot be same. Their sizes are completely different. It can be 100 meters or it can reach up to 1000 meters. The Deccan Plateau in India is one of the oldest plateaus. Again, you need to remember this is very important. The Deccan Plateau in India is one of the oldest plateaus. The East African plateaus in Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda, and the Western Plateau of Australia are other examples. So what are the other examples? The East African plateaus in Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda, and in the Western Plateau of Australia are the other examples. Next we have is plains. So now what do we understand by plains? Plains are the large stretches of the flat land. It means we have flat land over there. They are generally not more than 200 meters above the main sea level. So of course that is the reason why they are called flat land. If they are above that, then we cannot call them as plains. So this is the reason they are known as plains. Why? Because they are just little bit of, that is 200 meters above the main sea level. So some plains, they are extremely level. On most of the plains, they are formed by the rivers and the tributes. Next we have is northern plains, then southern plains. You can see southern plains, that is in Kerala and all that side. Northern plains in Kashmir. Next we have is landforms and the people. Humans have been living on different kinds of lands and in different landforms in different ways. So life is difficult in mountainous areas. So all of you must be knowing life is very, very difficult in mountainous areas. We have many problems, many issues over there, and life on the flat land is comparatively very easy. Why? Because we can get the facilities over there available very nicely. So plains provide much easy conditions for life. There are many ways to live in plains. They can make roads. See, roads are easier here we have in Gujarat versus the roads in Kashmir. Houses, easy to grow crops. For agriculture also we need proper suitable land. So again, all these things are very much easily available in the areas where there are flat areas of land like plains. People used to pollute water or nature. So this is what something which we have to stop. We don't have to pollute the land. We don't have to pollute the water or the nature. So you can see here the example, polluted water by humans on the riverside. Just you can see the garbage they have thrown, the plastic disposal and things like that. So this is something which we should completely avoid. So that was it for today. I hope you all have understood it nicely, and that's it. Thank you and have a nice day.